Hello friends, today I'm going to make a new video about repainting a Gibson guitar. It's a R9 Gibson Custom Shop 2019. It's a pretty cool guitar, but it has some problems. Now I show you. It's a really beautiful guitar, but like all Gibsons, it has very soft varnish. The main problem with this guitar is bending. Aniline dye come out of pore filler. Here you can see all bending is pink. But anyway, I will fix this, and this guitar became a nice hard nitro finish with a medium relic. And in this video, in this first video, I show you how to remove Gibson finish out of this guitar. So the full version of this video, like always, will be published on my Patreon page with detailed explanation of all steps of this process, and there I can answer for all your questions, technical questions. For my makers, I have no secrets. So don't be a simple user, be maker. And when you're not subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe, click the button, click the bell, and leave your comments. This is very important for this channel and for my workshop. And now we can start. Let's go. Yeah, it's worked. Okay. One. Okay, so the serial number will be remain on this guitar. So disassembling is done, but as you can see, all problem with bending is here. This happened while in pore filler used oil diluted anilines. Aniline dye ever migrate to nitro and even to the plastics. Maybe you can see on the pictures of vintage 59 Les Paul, 60s Les Pauls, when you take out the in pickups ring, these places is pink. This happened while the red aniline dye migrates through nitro coats and come into the plastic. This is interesting point. But in modern Gibsons, I think this is wrong. Never seen this effect on vintage Les Pauls. I think this is wrong. This is too much. And this is, oh, fuck. Okay, this is enough. Oh. I'm always disappointing with Gibson when I take off the varnish. What is that? As you can see, this lacquer has too much plasticizers. Normal nitro will crack, and here you can see very soft lacquer. What is that? This is like acrylic lacquer. But I hope this is nitro. We will try now. Yes, this is nitro. Oh. It's removed like a skin. Here is transparent coat of nitro, and then we have red coat, red nitro. Here is red, and this first coat is transparent. I see no red pores. I think it will be faster with acetone. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video, and in next part we will start painting this Les Paul guitar. You will see how I prepare the pore filler, how I apply the lacquer coats, and I will use interesting materials, interesting lacquers. This will be lacquers from Nitro Lac company. You have already seen the previous video with several tests with these lacquers and these materials, and I think this will be interesting. So don't forget to subscribe for this channel, click the bell, leave your comments, and don't forget my Patreon. Till next time, now I have to say goodbye to you, but not for long. Rock and roll for all.